What's up guys, I'm John from BendPak and I'm here to talk about the modern solution to parking problems, parking lifts. Parking lifts are great for both residential and commercial situations. If you own a public parking structure or just want to get the most out of your garage, our catalog of parking lifts is there to help you out. These rugged lifts are as safe as they are durable. We manufacture lifts that can double or even triple your parking potential, and all with the smallest footprint possible. That's not all. We also have double wide lifts available, offering incredible parking ability in a compact design. In an effort to further cut down on space, we've eliminated the need for columns between the platforms, meaning you can fit your parking lift in more places than ever before. You can turn a 3-car garage into a 6-car garage, and since our lifts feature independently operated platforms, you won't have to deal with that annoying car shuffle to get the one you want. It's also a great way to make sure that your ride's protected. It's a lot harder to steal a vehicle when it's up in the air, and you'll also make sure that any wandering animal won't use your favorite car as a scratching post. Maximize your parking potential and floor space with a cutting-edge parking lift from BendPak.